Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the intriguing world of narcissism. Today, we will explore a question that's often asked by those who have experienced a relationship with a narcissist. When does this self-absorbed individual finally realize that you are never coming back? Through in-depth analysis and personal experiences, we will shed light on this captivating topic. 1. The narcissist's charm. In the early stages of a relationship with a narcissist, they deploy their captivating charm to draw you in. Their words are coated with honey, their actions shower you with attention, and you feel like you have found your soulmate. This charismatic display can make it difficult to perceive any signs of their self-centered tendencies. You may become an unwitting participant in their web of manipulation. 2. The unraveling of illusions. Over time, some individuals start to recognize the narcissist's true nature. You may begin to notice their constant need for admiration, their lack of empathy, and their inflated sense of self-importance. Cracks in the illusion they created begin to appear, and you start questioning the authenticity of the connection you once believed in. However, narcissists, skillful as they are, might continue to project a false image to maintain control over your emotions. 3. The breaking point. After enduring the emotional roller coaster that often characterizes a relationship with a narcissist, you reach a breaking point. It could be a moment of clarity, a realization that your needs and happiness have been consistently disregarded. At this juncture, you gather the strength to distance yourself from the toxic influence. Whether through a decisive act or a gradual withdrawal, you start the process of reclaiming your sense of self. 4. The narcissist's reaction. Let's explore how narcissists react when they sense that you are slipping away. Initially, they may dismiss it as a temporary setback, or even perceive it as a challenge to their supremacy. The narcissist's ego is fragile, so your departure threatens their carefully crafted facade. As a result, they may resort to manipulation, gaslighting, or attempts to guilt trip you into staying. They may employ any means necessary to regain control over their perceived loss. 5. Delusion and denial. Throughout this process, narcissists may convince themselves that you will eventually come back. Their egotistical mindset makes it difficult for them to grasp the concept of permanent separation. They may blame external factors or attribute the disintegration of the relationship solely to your shortcomings. Their inflated self-image blinds them from accepting responsibility or acknowledging their negative impact on your well-being. 6. Acceptance or new supply. Eventually, the narcissist might reach a point where they realize that your departure is indeed permanent. This realization can occur either when they witness you committing to a new life without them, or when they secure a new source of supply that temporarily fills the void left by your absence. It is important to note that this realization does not always lead to acceptance or self-reflection. Rather, it often results in them shifting their focus onto the new target. In conclusion, the narcissist's realization that you are never coming back is a complex and multifaceted process. From the charm that initially draws you in, to the unraveling of illusions, the breaking point, and the narcissist's reaction, it is clear that extricating yourself from a narcissistic relationship is no simple task. However, by understanding these dynamics, we empower ourselves with the knowledge necessary to break free and start rebuilding our lives. Remember, you deserve happiness and fulfillment, and you have the strength to move forward. Stay tuned for more eye-opening discussions on our channel. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the intriguing question of when a narcissist realizes that you are never coming back. If you found this video insightful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Don't forget to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay strong, and stay true to yourself.